So this is pound dollar analysis for Tuesday the 15th of May. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So over the past couple of days or so, we've been in pretty range bound here on the pound against the dollar, suggesting the market is possibly waiting for a fundamental catalyst of some kind to give the market greater direction. What we have found is we found resistance in around that 136 level, and supporting around the 135.20 and a 134.88. So more 135. Let's go with 135. So we've been in a bit of a 100 pip range here. Upper end of the trading range being around at 136, from which we have seen sell side momentum. Lower end of the trading range in around at 135. We have seen buy side momentum in the market. Now, more recently, we've retested the 136, and again, we did see sell side momentum come into the market. We've briefly held a 200 period moving average before seeing a breakdown of that level. So if we continue to see the breakdown from this 136, looking to see if we do find support in around at 135.20 or possibly down towards that 34.88 here on the pound dollar for a move back up to retest the 136 level. If we can break and hold above the 136, we're looking for a move up towards that 136.57. And if there is sufficient volatility to the upside, we're looking for a move up towards that 137, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. But if we do break above that, we're looking for a move up towards that 137.50. If, however, we do break down from this 34.88 and we fail to hold support at 34.88, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside will be a move down towards that 34.29. I wouldn't anticipate price much beyond 34.29, so I wouldn't expect 33.68 to come into focus here. Let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart before wrapping up on the pound dollar. So we head over to the pound dollar on the daily chart. As we can see, we've had a pretty sharp sell-off. We've come into this period of somewhat indecision. We've been pretty range bound, as indicated by the wicks, suggesting that neither the bears nor the bulls have control of the market, as the market has oscillated between these 2 points, in between the 136 and 135, slightly below it at 134.88. But in between the 100-point zone, we've had prices pretty much trapped range bound. After seeing such a strong move, we might see a retracement back upwards, but we do have to be aware that we are oscillating currently in around that 200 period moving average. We've got a 200 period moving average here, so we are currently oscillating around that level. So we'll see if we do get that breakout, further breakdown in prices, or whether we'll have a counter trend recovery here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.